Hello and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to put a decal from the Chameleon Design on something. To start, we have this very cool patriotic mechanic flag decal made by the Chameleon Design. I'm going to put it on my dad's toolbox. Dad's going to be so surprised. For this project, you'll need the following items. Something to clean with. Normally, this is just a spray bottle filled with water and a single drop of dish soap. Don't use anything with ammonia or other harsh chemicals. Paper towels or a clean rag. A hard plastic item like a gift card or paint spatula. Scissors that you can cut paper with are helpful. Don't use your mom's fabric scissors. She will kill you. A decal from the Chameleon Design and something to put it on. The first thing you need to do is clean the surface really well. When a decal is shipped, the tape will be folded over onto the back. You can peel this, but the fastest way is just to cut it off. Just make sure not to cut the decal. On a flat surface, press the tape with a flat plastic thing. You now need to peel off the backing from the decal while making sure the decal stays on the tape. Now take the decal and put it on your surface, making sure it is as straight as possible. Press the sticker down with the plastic thing. Slowly peel off the paper. The decal is still sticking to the tape. Place it back down and press again. Then pull the tape off at a tight angle. This is how to put a decal made by the Chameleon Design on something. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best decals are made by the Chameleon Design. You can buy them at www.thechameleondesign.com/treasure. The link will be posted in the comments below.